How to make mobile data streaming quality on basic on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make mobile data streaming quality on basic on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon in the top corner. Click on it and then click this one, audio, and here you will find that streaming quality, and here you can manage mobile data. Just click on it and select it first one, and that's it. Now all you need to do is just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.